this journey. So my whole family attended this 18 days of journey. Even my kids, they are sleeping now because time is 11:10 for us. They slept while doing meditation, and your teachings have inspired us to continue this journey. I truly appreciate your time and dedication you shared with all of us. So I turned into this meditation for so many reasons, uh, to understand myself, for the peace and clarity. I, like Vijayakshmi Garu said, even I practiced meditation for a short time. But I didn't know that we have to do meditation according to our age. I just used to do it for 15 minutes, but even I did it for a shorter time. I did it for almost 6 months. It helped me feel more calmer, but it suddenly changed because I had my kids, and I was taking care of my chores and my work. So meditation slowly disappeared from my routine, but most of my time and attention went to my kids, and I was preoccupied. And then after some time, lately I noticed that I have two kids now, 8 and 5. So lately I noticed that I was getting angry very quickly with my kids, sometimes even for smaller things. So I realized that it wasn't about them. I was carrying a lot of physical tiredness and work stress. Even the smallest thing would trigger me, and I would end up yelling at them. So I always felt guilty about it. And then during Christmas holidays, like last December, I went to my brother's place. There I met Satya. She is my sister-in-law. And we started talking about the meditation and all. Again, she reintroduced us to meditation. So our whole family, like she guided our whole family. So since then, since December, I think we did it for almost 8 weeks now. Even though it's a shorter time, but I have noticed something small but important. Whenever like kids do something, I would normally just, that would make me snap, and I catch up myself for a moment, just one breath. Sometimes I still react, but the other times that single breath helps me respond more clearly. So I started noticing that. And there is other reason, like I started meditation as well. So usually, like I always get, I begin to experience my gods. I see gods in my dreams, but they don't always speak clearly. But their presence felt more powerful. Sometimes, I would see some things like that, decisions unfolding before they were happened. And later, when similar moments appeared, like I was very surprised. I was wondering, why do I get these messages? What are they meant? So I want to understand them better. I hope the meditation has taken a deeper purpose for me. So I'll continue doing meditation, and I hope I get my answers. And thank you all for giving me an opportunity to share.
Wonderful, wonderful, Srividya. Thank you so much for joining. I heard some of your, I think your kids' voice other day. So thank you so much for joining along with your family members. Really inspiring to do meditation.